Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a robot showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. In the left corner, weighing in at a price of $229, we've got the sleek and stylish eufy RoboVac 11S. And in the right corner, ready to mop up the competition at $199, it's the HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20. It's Robo Warriors time. Who will clean up the competition? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. eufy RoboVac 11S comes in at a solid $229. Now that's not exactly pocket change, but hey, you get what you pay for, right? But hold up, the HONITURE G20 is strutting in at just $199. That's $30 less, enough to buy a pizza and still have some change for a soda. Now, let's talk about what really matters. Cleaning. eufy RoboVac 11S is like your dependable friend who always shows up with a remote control, side brush, and a 12-month warranty. It's simple, reliable, and gets the job done. But HONITURE G20 is here to flex with its 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and sweep capabilities. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Plus, it boasts a 4,000 pascals super suction power. That's like having a tiny tornado in your living room. Battery life is where the real drama unfolds. eufy RoboVac 11S gives you a decent run, but HONITURE G20 is like the Energizer Bunny on steroids with a whopping 150 minutes of cleaning time. That's enough to clean your house twice, or maybe even 3 times if you have a studio apartment. Let's talk brains. eufy RoboVac 11S is a smart cookie, but HONITURE G20 takes it to the next level with intelligent gyroscope navigation. It's got zigzag, fixed point, edge, and random modes. It's basically doing the robot dance while cleaning your floors. And with its built-in fall prevention sensor, it won't take a nosedive down the stairs. Sorry, eufy, but HONITURE's got the moves like Jagger. And for all you tech-savvy folks out there, HONITURE G20 has multiple control methods. You can boss it around with your phone, remote control, or even your voice via Alexa. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that actually listens to you. eufy, you might want to take some notes here. Finally, let's talk about peace of mind. eufy RoboVac 11S gives you a 12-month warranty, which is nice. But HONITURE G20 is going all out with a 2-year warranty, 6-month returns and exchanges, and lifetime technical support. It's like HONITURE is saying, "We've got your back always." When it comes to online reviews, eufy RoboVac 11S is praised for its reliability and effectiveness, especially for pet owners. However, it does have some minor issues, like occasionally getting stuck and struggling with black items. On the other hand, HONITURE G20 is celebrated for its versatility, strong suction power, and excellent customer service. The mopping function, while appreciated, could use some improvements according to reviewers. Overall, both products have their strengths, but HONITURE G20 seems to win hearts with its extra features and affordability. So there you have it, folks. The eufy RoboVac 11S is a solid, reliable choice, but the HONITURE G20 is bringing some serious heat with its extra features and lower price. Which one do you think wins the Robo Warrior title? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep those floors clean and those wallets happy. This is Buy Smart signing off. Product links are in the description.